Do you need to edit multiple photos at the same time? Using the multi-edit feature in the Inshot video editor, now you can. Let's do it. Tap the photo icon and select the photo you want to work with. When it loads, you'll notice a multi-edit button at the bottom of the screen. I'm going to focus on that feature in this video. Of course, you can add multiple photos, just as you can with videos, but you can't add multiple copies of the same photo unless you use the multi-edit feature. Tap the photo icon and select the photo that you want to work with. Tap the check mark and it will load. To load in multiple copies of the same photo, tap the multi-edit button. Then tap the plus sign and add another copy of the same photo. Now I've got 2 copies of the same photo in the photo editor. Let's add another one. I want to start by cropping all of the photos. To edit a specific photo, just tap on it. That photo will light up and the other ones will go dark. Swipe over and tap on crop. Then adjust the crop handles. Tap on the check mark when you're done. You'll have to repeat the process for the second and third photos. I'd like to see if I can make this photo look a little better by adding some filters. Let's begin by applying the natural filter. Tap on the third photo to apply a filter to it. I'm going to apply the harvest filter next. To select a filter, just tap on it. To save all of the photos, tap the share icon. Notice that you have Save Current and Save All. Save Current will save the photo that you are currently editing. I want to save all of the photos, so I'll tap Save All. Let's take a quick look at all 3 photos.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
If you have a problem with any part of this process, leave a comment below so I can help you. Don't forget to click that thumbs up if you liked the video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.